Namaste everyone. Here we are going to have a quick look at what is divisional application, what is amendment of patent, and what is substitution of patent applicant with relevant sections, rules and forms of Indian Patent Act 1970. Divisional or division of patent application simply means the application contains more than one invention and therefore the application need to be divided. Basic fundamental is that complete specification shall relate to a single invention or it shall form a single invention concept. But when claim of the complete specification relate to more than one invention, then division application is applied. Now the question is, who can file the application? The applicant can file a divisional application as further application in respect of provisional or complete specification or applicant with a view to remedy the objection raised by the controller. When this application is filed, only before the grant of patent a divisional application can be filed. Date of filing of divisional application will be the date which was mentioned on the first application filed. The divisional application will be examined when the request for examination is filed within the prescribed period. Now, amendment of patent application. What can be amended? Amendment of patent application, amendment of patent specification, and amendment of any document related thereto. Now, who can amend? The applicant before the grant of patent and the patentee after the grant of patent. Amendment is made by way of disclaimer, correction or explanation or incorporation of actual facts, and it shall be within the matter disclosed in the specification or within the scope of the claim. Amendment of application shall state the nature of proposed amendment and reason thereto. Amendment is taken place between two forums, before the IPO Intellectual Property Office or before the Appellate Board or the High Court. Substitution of patent applicant. Section 20. Relevant form is Form 6 and Rule 34, 35 and 36. It simply means there is a change in applicant name for patent. When it can file before the grant of patent. Who can file? The claimant or the applicant. On what ground it can be filed? On assignment, agreement or by operation of law. Now in simply we can say divisional application means it contains more than one invention. Relevant section is section 16. Amendment because there need some changes due to prevailing circumstances. Kindly see section 56, 57 and 59. And substitution in the name of applicant due to change in the claimed ownership of the invention. I am giving just a short overview. Kindly go through the relevant section for details. Thanks for listening me. Thank you.